Number 5. Graph the line 5x minus 3y equals 15. Well, let's let x be 0. And when we do, we'll write our equation over here. We'll put 0 in for the x. You have 5 times 0, which is what? What's 5 times 0? It's 0, right? 0 minus 3y is 15. So negative 3y is 15. Dividing both sides of the equation by minus 3. We're going to get y on the left side equals to 15 divided by minus 3 is minus 5. So now let's look at the point. We have 0 minus 5 is my point. That goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's right here is the point. For 0 minus 5, we'll label that. Okay? Now, it doesn't really ask us this, but if we were to figure out what the slope is, we would put, remember the standard form for the slope on the previous problems here? We would put 5 on the top, negative 3 on the bottom, change the negative 3 to a what? Well, we want the opposite of negative 5/3, which is going to be a plus 5/3. Now, in the previous problem, we know that positive slopes go upward like this, and negative slopes go to the left, upward. So we're going to go upward. We're going to go up 5, and we're going to go over 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3. So my next point is going to be the point 3, 0. Okay? You see 3, 0 right here? That's my next point. But let's prove that to you. Well, let's plug in 0 for y. Okay? Put 0 in there for the y and see what x is going to be. We're going to have 5x minus 3y is 15. Put in 0 in for the y. And 3 times 0 or minus 3 times 0, whatever, you're going to have 5x minus 0. 3 times 0 is 0. Then you're going to have 5x is 15. Then x is going to be, you're going to divide both sides by 5. X is going to be 3. So we have our next point work two different ways, with slope, or we put in 0 in there for y, found that x is 3. We got the point 3, 0. Right here is our next point. Okay? Now, we talked about slope a minute ago, and we rose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1, 2, 3. Okay, label that 3, 0, and what we're doing, we're going up 5 and over 3. So if I did that again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and put my next point right here. Okay, and then we could draw a line through these 3 points here, couldn't we? Draw a line through the points. We could get rid of these slopes here. We don't really have to have those triangles anymore because now we have our line. And that's the line 5x minus 3y is 15 with a slope of 5/3.